Hi, my name is Tom, I live in the UK and this is my CS50 Final Project. sizemysolar is a website where users can come to buy solar photovoltaic design for their house or property. The purchase design will give users information such as the number of panels they can install on their property, how much energy they will generate in a year, and the cost to install the system. The homepage has some basic information about what the website offers, such as the features section, where you can see the types of designs that are available to purchase, and the pricing section. The front end of the website is built using Bootstrap, HTML and CSS, and is fully responsive. The back end of the website is built using Python and the Flask web framework. Once users would like to proceed, they're able to search for their property on the map, which is implemented in JavaScript using the Google Maps API. So let's say, for example, that I would like to install solar on a building at Harvard University. For example, that I wanted to choose this building over here. I'd be able to drag the marker over the building, obtaining the exact latitude and longitude coordinates. Here I can enter my name and my last name and then email address. I'm going to use a temporary email address for this purpose, and that I'd like to buy a 3D drawing. The website implements Stripe as its payment system. Stripe handles all of the payment functionality such as this checkout page, product creation, capturing bank details, and once the user makes a payment, they will receive a Stripe receipt. So just to show you this working, I'm going to enter my own bank details and make a payment. Okay, so now it takes you to the purchase page. And then if I check my temporary email address, I see that my order receipt has been received. Okay, so now when I want to see the purchases that have been made, I'm able to actually log in with an admin account. So here I can log in with my account. And if I go to the available jobs page, it shows all the available jobs which are based on the purchases that have been made. So at the moment it looks like there's 2 projects which need completing. So this is the one that we've just filled in. You can see the client's address, the lat and long, the date, and the type of drawing that they requested. So if I want to fulfill this order, I can actually select this drawing. It says you've selected a new project. So if I go to home, it now shows in my own home page. And this is different for different users. And if I delete this, it actually sends this back to the available jobs page. Okay, so I've just completed the design document. This is just basically a PDF of the solar PV system that I designed for Austin Hall. It just has some basic information such as PV install system capacity size, what you'd expect to generate in a year, and total investment costs. So now if I want to go ahead and attach this document, I can go and do that here. And then if I press submit, this will actually go ahead and submit it to the temporary email which I'm using for this project. Okay, so we can see file was sent to client, and now if I go ahead and check, looks like this email came through. Yep, exactly on time, and if I look at the attachments, I get CS50 Final Project, and I can open that up, and this is exactly the document that I sent.